Always really loved cooking. To me, it's the most interesting form of science.
Welcome to Eculent, a dynamic restaurant that pushes the boundaries of exploratory culinary arts. With a unique experience in every bite, Chef Skinner has curated quite the adventurous offering.
You have so much going on here. How did you come up with everything?
I was on a long trip to China, actually, and decided I was going to create a restaurant that had not been done before.
26 to 30 courses. How does that work?
So one of the things that makes us really unique, besides the food, is the fact that we actually change the environment as you're having dinner. The lighting will change, the smells will change, the total sensory kind of immersion.
When someone comes here, how do they make the reservation?
So right now we have about 5,000 people on the wait list.
5,000 people?
5,000 people, yeah.
Wow, congratulations, that's a crazy amount of people.
It is. It can take people up to a year to get in here.
Wow.
We release reservations on the 1st of each month at 11 a.m. And it's for the following month. We sell out usually in anywhere between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. We do only 3 services per week. We only do 1 seating a night. The reason for that is it takes us an entire week to prep just for service for 3 nights, because we have so many courses and there's so many intricacies to the courses, it just takes that much time.
Burning question. What is the most technical dish that you've come up with?
Probably the one that you'll have tonight. It was something my grandmother used to make me when I was a little boy, which was bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. So I wanted to give that experience to the guests. So what you're gonna see is that it's just a little tomato. When you eat it, it's gonna feel like you just took a bite out of a big bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich, and you'll be able to taste each of the flavors and each of the components of the dish.
I have no words, I'm just excited.
Yeah, just wait.
With the secret food lab, where each menu item is brought to life to a beautiful homegrown garden, Eculent has elements of magic and surprise.
These roasted crabs are fun.
Before I even put it in my mouth, I could taste it. This is a BLT right here. You can literally taste every aspect of a BLT in this one single bite. It's done perfectly well. The flavor is kept so well inside here.
And if our taste buds weren't on a different level, we were introduced to the giant Texas truffle.
It's chocolatey, it's warm. So good.
Eculent blends classic cuisine with plenty of creativity, all by the culinary Willy Wonka himself, Chef David Skinner.
Keep up with all things YOLO Texas and find out where we're off to next by following along every journey through Instagram.
Take a piece of our travels with you. On your next adventure, shop our exclusive store for shirts, mugs, and even masks. To celebrate what it means to be a true traveling Texan, head on over to YOLOTX.com for all things YOLO Texas. We'll see y'all on the road.